guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kalexaander and today I'm going to show you how I achieved this braided ponytail. This is my second time doing this. I did this probably 3 years ago for the first time. So I am a beginner, and if I manage to do this, I'm pretty sure you will be able to after watching this video. It was very easy. My hair was already straightened. This is the only reason I thought I would take the opportunity to try this hairstyle, because my hair is too thick to do this hairstyle when it's in its curly state. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do this, so keep on watching. So as I said before, I'm starting off on old straightened hair. It's very oily at this point, frizzy and just disgusting and gross. So I wanted a style to go in between this and the wash day. So this is what I decided to do. I'm also going to start parting off my hair. Giving you guys a length check. This is how long my hair is now. Just going to take my wet brush from the Sally Beauty Supply store. Actually, it was about what, $5 or $7, and I'm using that to detangle my hair. This brush though is magic. Like, to detangle my hair in the shower, I've never been able to just have a easy detangling process. I'm telling you, this brush is magic. Now I'm just parting off my hair. I'm not trying to get any straight parts or anything like that. I just want to start off on the back section. So I'm going to detangle, and then I'm going to use this Do Grow oil, stimulating hair growth oil, just to oil up my scalp to prepare for my hairstyle. So I'm randomly just putting this all over my scalp. I'm going to be massaging this into my hair. You can skip this step, but because my hair is really old and I haven't washed it in a while or tend to my hair, my scalp or anything, I just wanted to oil up my scalp before I start my ponytail. I sectioned off the top part of my hair from the bottom because I'm going to be basically doing two ponytails with the top meeting the bottom half, so I can have a very flat ponytail. I learned this trick from my mom because I have very thick hair. So to get my hair into a flat ponytail, you need to work in sections. The products I'll be using to complete this style will be my Eco Styler gel, Got To Be Glue hair gel, a hard brush, as well as a detangling brush. Using the detangling brush, I'm going to detangle out any naps, knots, anything that you can imagine that be back here in this dry hair. I'm going to detangle that all out, and I'm going to prepare for my ponytail for this bottom section. I used some hair gel, and then I'm going to tie this back section up with a hair tie. These hair ties I got, they're for extra thick hair. I got these hair ties from Walmart. I didn't show it, but they're pretty thick in size. Now for the front half, you want to be a little bit more patient with this part of your hair because this is what people are going to see, and this also requires a lot more gel. So I'm using my Eco Styler gel and Got To Be Glue hair gel combo. This, I'm promising you, your hair will not go anywhere, and I'm using the detangling brush to get all that in. For some reason, I lost a clip of me smoothing it out with the hard brush, but basically that's self-explanatory. You just use the hard brush to smooth out your hair until you get it to your liking, as flat as you can. And then I'm going to take my hair tie and tie my ponytail together. And when doing this, you're just meeting the front half with the back half. So I'm just tying this up with another one of those thicker scrunchies. To also help my ponytail become flatter, I pull on the ends, which we all may know already. So I'm not really sure if that's a tip, but yeah, if you didn't know, now you know. So I'm using some Got To Be Glue hair gel just to seal my hair. And what I learned doing my friend's hair after this video is if you use a blow dryer and dry the hair gel dry, it will hold and make like a cast on your hair. So it really will not move, I promise you. Also, I'm just redoing that ponytail just so there's no bumps in the back. For my baby hairs, I'm taking this little edge brush and I'm just brushing all of my edges out. As I said before, these clips are sped up, so it looks a little bit harsher than what I actually was doing. I'm not this harsh-handed on my hair. I try to be as gentle as I can. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix up my baby hairs how I like them. Now from the beauty supply store, I got this X Jumbo Braid Pre-Stretch 56-inch 1B hair. Oh my gosh, that was such a long title. So I'm gonna use these 2 bundles and connect them together with a scrunchie. What I forgot to include in this video is me cutting out the rubber bands from the actual hair being already put together, but make sure you just cut those rubber bands out so they don't show in your braid. And then I put the hair towards the front of my head while I connected it to my actual ponytail, which made it so much easier. After this, I'm gonna take my actual hair and part it into 3 sections, like how I would want to start off my braid, and I'm going to gel each of those sections with the Got2b hair glue. And then I'm gonna also take out a piece of the braiding hair so I can wrap it around my hair later. So when starting off your braid, you're just gonna start it off like any regular 3-stranded braid. I have a few braided hair tutorials planned, but if you guys want in-depth, step-by-step how to braid, cornrow, single strand braid, anything like that, just let me know down in the comments below and I will get that out for you. Now that it's time to add braiding hair, I brought my braid to the front of my head and I'm going to take a piece of hair from a new pack and add that on into the middle strand within my braid. So that middle piece within your braid, you're gonna loop the hair around and braid it within the hair. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing, but there will be a slower clip coming soon. After you add the piece, you're gonna braid like normal, and then you're gonna take another strand of hair and continue the process however long you want your braid to be. You'll just keep adding hair depending on how long you want it. So again, I'm taking a new piece, I'm adding that hair to the middle, looping it around the middle piece, and then I'm going to braid it in like normal. I added a slow clip. This is me taking the braiding hair, and then I'm gonna separate the braid to get to the middle piece. Now that you see your middle piece, you're gonna add that braiding hair on top of your middle piece, but grab it with the other 2 sides to wrap it around that middle piece and braid it within the hair. I'm not sure if this is making any sense, but I wanted to do a slow-mo clip so you guys can see how I'm adding it. This is terrible. Oh my god. So this video might be a little choppy, but due to this crazy nappy braiding hair, oh my gosh, a nightmare to work with. But we finished our braid and we look cute, we look good. And now we're gonna do the wraparound. I'm using the Got2b Glue Freeze Spray to hold my wraparound in place. And no, I didn't need any bobby pins to hold this in place. The freeze spray was just enough. So I'm gonna spray and wrap and spray and wrap until we get to the end. So we're not done just yet. We're gonna go ahead and take care of this frizz that I have coming out of my braid, and I'm using the freeze spray to control all of that. After you complete your braid, you want to be sure that you put your ends in some boiling hot water, and then I'm gonna wrap my hair, do my makeup, come back and be cute. Okay, so I finished my makeup, and if you ask me, I look real good. Okay, I did like a little smoky eye using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So if you guys want like a tutorial on this look, just comment down below. If I'm talking with like some sort of a lisp, it's because I have my retainers in. So yeah, I haven't seen you guys in a very long time, so things have changed. Yeah, so I got my teeth straightened, and yeah, I got better at this makeup stuff. So this is the braid that I have. I dipped the ends in boiling hot water, and I also sprayed the braid with freeze spray. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and untie this. It's been on this whole entire time since I started my makeup, so it's been on for about an hour because I've been taking my time. So, ooh, that's so tight. Ooh, I know y'all see So there's crusty gel, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. Straight down, and I'm also gonna do like eco styler gel. These two together, I promise you my hair is not gonna even lift at all. Here I'm just adding my final touches. I'm doing my sideburns, making them real cute, sleek. Get myself a little curl on the side. After that, I'm touching up my powder and my lip gloss, and we're good to go. Thank you guys so much for coming and watching this video. If you want more videos like this one, go ahead and comment down below, like, and subscribe for more content. I am back. And yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.